FLYCDI! Every time can give to us the surprise. So today I also get the market quality. One is TFT iPhone X, OLED iPhone X, and FLYCDI iPhone X. So let's check what's the difference. Let's begin it. iPhone X was writing. Everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end. So okay. So first we check the TFT one in this market quality. TFT model. Okay, let's check with the FLYCDI. Every time fly, because the speed is very fast, same like this car, that one car, Ferrari. Okay, let's check. This one is TFT, this FLYCDI. So we check any different. So the light, we can check very easily. Okay, we test the light first. Okay, the light, this for TFT 471, and we check. Oh my god, 820. So it's very big difference. Okay, so we check the color. Oh my god, you can see the color. Any different? Oh my god, this is a FLYCDI and this one is a TFT. Oh, very brilliant. All the color is this true color. I think this color is little light. Let's check the light. Okay, this one also is topist. Also, this is the topist. Oh my god, very good light. Very brilliant. You can see that? Amazing. That's why the FLYCDI, they say your first choice. Yes, it's true. But some customer tell me, they say OLED is better because OLED is same like original. Okay, so today I also purchased the one piece for OLED. So how can you see this one is OLED? We can see easily from here. It don't have the backlight. That's why this one is OLED. So we check OLED model with the FLYCDI, any different or not, okay? Move. Okay. Okay, with OLED TF. Let's check, have surprise or not. So let's check the light. The light OLED 657, okay? FLYCDI 800, just now we already checked. 810. Okay. Both is topist, the light. So let's one more time we check the color. You can see we no any different. This was same. Very good light. Oh my god, you see the gray. This one little change. This gray is true gray. The color FLYCDI. That's why every color you can see is very true color. The design is very strictly amazing. This OLED, this FLYCDI. This one you buy 3 pieces, this one you buy 1 piece. Maybe this one maybe almost, I don't know. OLED 100% is very expensive because I buy this one from the market. Calculate by US dollar, maybe about nearly 150 US dollar. Maybe FLYCDI LCD, you only can get maybe $30 or $20 like this. So which one is better? I don't. The color also is very good. More and more model, I hope, to come to market for FLYCDI LCD, for FLYCDI products, to offer the more and more good products come to the market. So this one is OLED, this one is FLYCDI. So which one you need to choose? If you want to, for me, 100% I choose FLYCDI. Quality, price, everything is good. So thank you.